helicopter has tried to bomb Venezuela's Supreme Court in a ratcheting up of the country's political crisis. Officials say the aircraft fired 15 shots at the Interior Ministry and dropped 4 grenades on the court. An army officer, believed to have seized the helicopter, issued this video statement.
Somos una coalición entre funcionarios militares.
He says, we're a coalition of military officials, police and civilians in search of balance and against this transitional criminal government we don't belong to or have any particular political affiliation.
No pertenecemos ni tenemos.
We're nationalists, patriots and institutionalists.
Somos nacionalistas, patriotas e institucionalistas.
The country's president, Nicolás Maduro, called it an attack by terrorists seeking a coup. Earlier, there were more violent clashes between the National Guard and opposition protesters. For more than 2 months, there have been almost daily demonstrations against Maduro's leftist government. Maduro has warned that he and his supporters will take up arms if his socialist government is violently overthrown.